Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a meeting of the Board of Trustees of the PM Cares Fund yesterday. A presentation was made on the various initiatives undertaken with the help of the PM Cares Fund. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar met Turkish Foreign Minister Mevlut on the sidelines of UNGA. In a tweet, Dr. Jaishankar said there were wide-ranging conversations that covered the Ukraine conflict, food security, G20 processes, global order, NAM and Cyprus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed sadness on the demise of popular comedian Raju Srivastava. In a tweet, Modi said Raju Srivastava brightened people's life with laughter, humor and positivity. Along with the rest of the world, International Day of Peace 2022 was today observed by Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides at headquarters in Shillong. In women's cricket, the second one-day international between India and England will be played at St. Lawrence Ground, Canterbury this evening. The match will start at 5:30 p.m.